Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is shrink image file size without losing quality. So guys, I have here the Photo Compress 2.0 application. From here, just simply open it up. Now from here, you will have two options. You can either go for the gallery, so you can select a photo from it, or you can go directly for your camera and take a picture right away, or you can just simply compress and resize multiple photos. So for this one, let's go for the gallery. Now I'm gonna select a photo. So let's say the photo will be our mobile background. So now from here, it is a very simple interface. You will have here compress image. And when you tap on quick compress, it will compress the file size even more. Or you can go for compress over here, which you can just simply adjust the quality of the compression. And after that, you should have an option to resize it as well or crop an image. Now, once everything is done, tap on exit down below. And from here, you should be able to have it compressed and it will be available on your gallery. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching, guys. See ya.